Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese mini truck channel. In our video today, we'll be discussing how to replace a mini truck radiator. Japanese mini trucks have been around long enough to become one of the most popular vehicles that one can find around. They are made by some of the leading car makers in the world. Some of these automakers includes the like of Mazda, Honda, Subaru, Daihatsu and Suzuki. The history of Japanese mini trucks dates back to the 1950s and have since been increasing in popularity. This is all thanks to their incredible performance and dependability. However, like any other vehicle that you will come across, there are things that needs to be fixed. Among them is the mini truck radiator. It is a very crucial part that needs to be maintained and repaired when it is broken. But first, what is the importance of a mini truck radiator? The radiator is the most important component in a cooling system of a vehicle. Without it, the vehicle would overheat and not function as expected. Water is filled into a radiator, which is responsible for cooling the vehicle's engine. It allows the water to circulate through the network of pipes while coming back to the radiator. The design of the radiator features a grill which dissipates heat with the help of air penetrating through it. In this process, the hot water that is passed through the engine is cooled. As the water circulates, the cooling process takes place. This is the way that the radiator of any other water-cooled engine will usually work. With the understanding that cooling an engine is necessary to ensure better functionality and smooth running, a radiator needs proper care and maintenance. And in case it breaks, you need to replace it. So, how do you replace a mini truck radiator? Assuming that you know where the radiator of the vehicle is located, for obvious reasons that you have been refilling the water, start unscrewing the components that protect it. There are some vehicle parts in some mini trucks which can block your access to this. For instance, in the case of a Honda Active, you would have to remove the bumper to access the screws. There is then the guard that needs to be removed under the radiator. Usually, there are 4 to 6 bolts that needs to be removed on this guard. You can then remove the petcock and drain all the water. Once all the water has been emptied from the radiator, you can then move ahead and remove the hose and all the connected wires, such as those connecting to the fan. Once there is nothing else that is holding onto the radiator, you can pull it down. At this point, you can do the replacement or repair the part that was faulty in the radiator. Sometimes you may want to replace the filters inside or replace with a new one. To put in a new one, just follow the process by undoing what you did when removing the radiator. To conclude, radiators are among the most important parts of any vehicle's cooling system. Shared in this guide is the radiator's importance and how to replace a mini truck radiator the easy way. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.